Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is come. Here are some words related to the base word. Become, comedy, comes, income, outcome, overcome, welcome. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. May we come in? She wants to become a doctor. Friends is a popular TV comedy. The caregiver comes every week. Low-income earners will get free health care. The election's outcome is still uncertain. He was overcome with sadness. Welcome to our home. Now let's review. Become, comedy, comes, income, outcome, overcome, welcome. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.